To grow on social media, this is one trick as an artist you should be doing each and every single day. Whether you like it or not, you need social media to grow your brand. You need social media to promote your product. You need social media to advertise your artworks. My name is Logo Art, and in this video, I'm going to outline or give you some tips and techniques you can use to grow your social media brand. Now let's get started. Initially when I started drawing, you won't believe that I also hated social media just like you. Okay, I just hated like being on social media because of the mentality that social media is no good, they are doing a lot of bad things when I started artwork. So I hated social media. But when hunger started shooting directly at me, no one advised me to join social media to promote my artworks. Deciding to be on social media is one of the best things that has ever happened to my life. You won't believe. That's one of the greatest things that has happened to me. Because of social media, I'm able to do my personal stuff, sell my products, have audience. I can sell stuff to. Do you understand? Social media is very, very profitable. So as an artist, you need to be on social media. Now, to grow on social media, this is one trick as an artist you should be doing each and every single day. Make sure you post every single day, regardless. Just look for something to post on your social media platform. It can either be your artwork, your personal artwork, or just go on platforms and just download artworks and do what? And post people's artwork. You can make reference to them, just follow them and make reference to them or something. Make sure you post on social media every single day. That's going to help you to grow on social media. Maybe you might not be needing it now, but trust me, you need it tomorrow. Trust me, you will need a social media platform tomorrow. So as a beginner, somebody starting art, so what I will advise you to do is create a social media platform. Then each and every single day, at least make one post. Even if it's not your personal work, just just know your niche that you are in. You are an artist, so you can post anything related to art on your platform. So you can go to any artist page, just pick their artwork that they are working on and just post it on your platform and just make a reference to it. Okay, that this artwork belongs to this or something. Just tag the person. Yes, just tag the person. That is going to not only promoting the artist, you are also promoting yourself. You are also growing a platform for yourself. So once a while, you'll be sharing your work there as well. Okay. So with this, you are building, gradually building your platform as an artist. Just make sure you post every single day. Whether you get a like or not, whether you get a post every day. Okay. You are going to reap what you are sowing. That's how it works. I also started posting regardless. Nobody was liking, nobody was doing everything on social media because I saw the future. I knew what I was working towards. Okay, so I was just posting every day, just posting every day. Not even my works. I was just posting other people's work. I was just blending with my work. That's the secret. I was just posting people's work. It wasn't entirely my work. I was just posting artworks because I was building myself in that niche. So finally, when I decided to start creating content or doing my own stuff, I just went to it and I just started doing my own thing over there. And I'm making money each and every single day. Do you understand? So if you're an artist, don't only focus on just growing your skills in drawing, focus on growing your platform as well. Because I know a lot of people that their artworks are not good, but they have big numbers of followers online. They have a large number of followers online. You know why? Because they didn't only focus on the art, for instance, they focus on also building their platform. You ask somebody right now and say, oh, I'm not learning before I'll join social media. No, when? Social media is just like planting a tree. The moment you put the seed on the ground, okay, it doesn't germinate the same day. You need to keep on watering, okay, watching each and every single day before it grows. That's how it's just like a plant. So the earlier you join the platform, the better for you. The earlier you join social media, the faster you grow. That's how it works. So once you are learning, you are learning art, I would advise you to do what? To create a social media platform for yourself. Then you post your progress or you post other people's work to grow the platform for yourself. Trust me, it will really, really help you. My name is Logo once again. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips in art. Thank you.
Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.